Hi everyone, hi Nick. I have another completed journal to share with you today. This is another single signature soft cover journal. It got overly chunky again. The cover is a Cavallini folder file folder that I just cut down. And on the front I did some glossy accents and some stickling. I also put one of my Prima butterflies on there. And the closure is just eyelets and some seam binding. Measurement is about 8 1/4 by 5 1/2-ish, around there. And the signature is sewn in with some braiding cord that I've had kicking around. And I'll go inside here, if I can untie this thing. Inside covers are left blank. Variety of printables, DreamzEtc, Ephemeris Vintage Garden, Tsunami Rose. All the sources will be listed below. This is DreamzEtc. And I used one of the doily punches to make the corner tucks rather than flips this time. And I have tickets and butterflies, some lace, and some pink pearls. And that's Ephemeris Vintage Garden. That is Tsunami Rose, and there's just some tags that I made. Oh, that just popped off. I have to fix that. And this flips out. And I have a garment pin with a little bit of burlap and a little snail charm on there. And I have some book page pockets with some Tim Holtz flowers, some sentiments, and buttons. And that's a Tim Holtz journaling card there, Ephemeris Vintage Garden, Tsunami Rose, and another tag that I made. Side tuck here, that's the Tim Holtz. Ephemeris Vintage Garden, Tsunami Rose, and a guest check. Tags are all sewn, and this one opens out actually. And so they're either inked or backed onto coffee dyed paper. It's an envelope, and this is a Ephemeris Vintage Garden, and it's open there. Some music paper, a top tuck here with the doily punch of a ticket, some leaf trim, butterfly, and some pearls. And that's Tim Holtz. This is one of Daisy's envelopes. And that's what goes with it. Book page, another book page pocket with lace, flower, butterfly, and a sentiment. And this is just like four thicknesses of book page folded in half, stitched all the way around, and then glued down. And there's some ephemera that's just stitched around and then glued on two sides to make a tuck spot. Tag. This is a Cavallini postcard, and for journaling. And another envelope, if I can get it off. thread. Probably glued in here, would be my guess. Yep, it's glued in here. Come on. Come out. Come out, come out, come out. There we go. Well, that's one side. It's really glued in here. It's stuck down in the corners. I really don't want to rip it because I'm going to have to print it out again. Well, come on. Yep, it's really stuck. It's way down in that corner. All right, well, I'll get that out later. Another Tim Holtz. Farmer's Vintage Garden and Tsunami Rose. Another corner tuck and some ephemera. Oh, we don't know what he's doing down there, but it's making a lot of noise. Fred's working in the kitchen, finishing off the remodel. The center of the signature, and I have a butterfly and an owl. And that flips out. So top loading pocket. Another book page. And another corner tuck. Some ephemera from just out of my stash. I don't remember where I got it. Some more book page. Another corner tuck here. And another envelope. Let's see if this one's glued in. Probably. Oh yeah, this one's glued in too. Now, I'll get that out later. Music paper, envelope. I just left it open. Ephemera in there. Corner tuck. Lined paper. That's the waffle sort of honeycomb stenciling to do with cardboard. And the back page and the back cover. And this will be listed in my Etsy Pumpkin Patch Journals. I'll try to get this up later today. If I don't, it'll definitely be tomorrow. If you have any questions, please ask, and I will see you again next time. Bye.